Hi Soumya, how are you doing?
Hi, sir. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. So first of all, I welcome you for this small interaction that we're going to have to share with your experiences, the journey that you had.
Sure, sir.
Before I'm going to start anything, first of all, I wish you congratulate you on the achievement that you have did for placing in a company where you have got your placement. That's a wonderful thing. Congratulations for that. So
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
the purpose of this interaction is nothing but just to let the people know. Usually there is a misconception in the field that CS are having more value than CMA. You being a CMA have achieved certain good things and wonderful things, placed in a campus placements with a wonderful package. It's a great thing. So we just wanted to know your experiences so that it will help the other aspirants, those who always have this misconception in their mind that CMA is not, it's an undervalued course. Usually this kind of notion is there in the market. So I just want to get rid of those things with your wonderful inputs that you're going to provide. So hope you are ready. Shall we start?
Yes, yes, sure, sir. We can
Excellent.
start.
Yes. To begin up with, what is your full name?
Yeah, my name is Merugu Soumya, sir.
Great.
And I'm
So
from Kottagudem, Telangana.
nice. So your native place is Telangana.
Yes, yes.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So will you talk about your family a bit? What your father do?
Yeah.
Like,
Yes, yes. My father is a small businessman, he's into construction field.
all right.
We are a family of four members. My mother, my father, I'm the elder one, and I have a
Nice.
younger sister. She is also into CA background. She also
Nice.
completed her CMA, like CMA Inter. She's yet to write her CMA final exams. She is doing her CA articles in Bangalore.
Nice.
Yeah.
So that's wonderful. That's wonderful. So as
Thank you.
the moment your parents have come to know that you got placed, so what was your reaction? So overall, our interview is going to be with respect to your placement. So I'll be asking more questions with respect to your placement only.
Yes,
So what was their reaction? How did they felt?
they were very confident that I will definitely get placed in the some or the other company,
Right.
because I have been shortlisted in five companies, which are the very big companies.
Mm-hmm.
But these company which I got placed is the highest salary they are offering.
Right.
So they were very happy and they were very confident. They were very happy, their dreams come true.
Exactly.
Instead
So
of saying that my dreams come true, their dreams come true.
that is so true. That is so true. Definitely, that is something which is a cherishable moment for all the members of the
Yes,
family.
yes,
That's right.
yes.
That's right. So usually, coming from a middle class family, do you really think that CME is something which is not affordable for middle class people? What your
No, no,
view on
no,
that?
no. It is very affordable to middle class people, because I'm a member from middle class people only. So it will cost to around you to 50 to 60,000. So that if you are directly from degree or from CA Inter, you can also save like 10,000, because after completing your degree or after completing your CA Inter, you will get a direct entry into your CMA Inter, so that
Exactly.
you can also have a chance not to do the CMA foundation. So you can save that the CMA foundation money also. So that I can say, for CMA, even a middle class family also, you can do CMA. It is affordable to do CMA.
So, like on a nutshell, can you say how much it has cost you to do CMA? How much you have spent
Yeah,
to
around
complete the entire
around
CMA?
around 50 to 60,000, sir.
So,
Because
hmm,
I have come from CMA foundation, after that CMA Inter, and after that CA final. I have crossed to three levels. That's why
right,
it cost me 50 to 60. If the people who already have done their degree or already have done their CA Inter, they can directly enter into CMA Inter, so that they can reduce the 10,000 to 15,000
exactly.
cost,
Okay,
like
if it
that.
is a direct entry, then they can save the
Hmm.
foundation fees.
Same.
So
Yes,
it's
yes.
pretty much
Foundation
affordable on
fees.
that case.
Yes, yes. True. It is
Exactly, exactly.
affordable.
Nice. So before I talk anything about your job, so I wanted to know how was your journey in the entire CMA as you have started from a foundation, how the journey
Mm.
went. So how it has started actually, what motivated to come into CMA, where
Yes, yes.
everybody is saying that CA is the most prominent than one, CA is the most exciting than CMA when it has been chosen. So what pushed you to be in CMA?
Yeah, previously even I also thought that CA is the very prestigious than the CMA. I just started writing when I'm doing my CA foundation only. I have wrote my CMA foundation exam also. That was like a chill going exam and writing with the CA knowledge only. So
Yeah,
I thought, okay, if we pass, then we continue the CMA, or else we'll do with the CA only.
right.
But I got good marks in CMA foundation, and also in CMA inter also I got like first attempt only I could clear the CMA inter also. And
Right.
after that the articleship journey also went very good. After that, suddenly when I'm taking the CA final course coaching, only I have wrote these CMA final exams also, so that I prepared for 6 to 8 months, six to
Right,
eight months for CMA final, dedicatedly to CMA final only,
right.
so that I could get very good marks with the All India 41 rank.
Nice. So you're
With
already a rank holder in CME final.
yes, yes, yes,
Excellent,
yes.
excellent.
I'm all
Hmm.
yes with the 41 rank, and I also scored 98 marks in CFR, that is corporate financial reporting.
Yes, yes.
That was a very happy thing for me, because I'm very interested to do the accounting
Hmm.
works, because I'm very fond of accounting.
Right.
So it was very cherishable moment for me to get 98 marks in FR CFR.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So you got placed with respect to CMA, right?
Yes, yes, with respect to
So
CMA. After
how
CMA
was,
final,
yeah, how was your journey with respect to this campus placements? What exactly happened after the completion of your CMA? So how it started?
I frankly speaking, I'm not I'm not prepared to apply for the CMA placement. One of
Hmm.
my senior who is a CMA, she is also a rank holder with All India 13th rank. She
Hmm.
motivated me to apply for the CMA campus placements. Okay, by her advice, I gave a try to apply for the CMA campus placements. I got shortlisted for 5 companies. So this is the Accenture. I got placed in Accenture.
Nice.
Accenture is the first company I have interviewed. I got interviewed. The interview got
So
successfully went
overall,
through,
you
and I
have,
got selected.
yeah, you have applied for 5 companies.
No, with my resume,
Acha, you
they
got shortlisted for
shortlisted for
shortlisted
five
by the
companies.
5 companies, and you had your first
Yes,
interview with
yes.
Accenture.
Accenture. Yes, yes.
So prior to that, have you
I
attended any interviews prior to
No, no, no,
Accenture?
no.
So the first
No,
interview was with
Accenture.
Accenture.
Accenture is the first interview. Accenture is my first job.
So you have
It was
placed in
like
your very first interview itself.
first interview. Yes, yes.
Nice, nice, nice. So what were
Yeah.
the areas that were focusing on when you've been interviewed?
They will focus on the basics. The basics we learned in CMA Foundation, CMA Inter, and the articles. What we learned in articles is the main issues they have covered. They have
Hmm.
asked me about all the articles only. What I have done in articles. What
Right.
is your part in the articleship? Uh,
Hmm.
Only article experience and all the basics, the like accounting basics and accounting standards, and all the laws, companies act, all they
Hmm.
were covered.
Nice. So what is your exact designation of an Accenture? Your designation is
My designation is accounting analyst.
accounts
Like I
analyst.
will be,
Hmm.
yes, yes, I'll be taking care of the accounts receivable R2R process. In that, I will be taking care of the clients and the organizations accounts efficiency and their balance sheet analyses and all the accounting works.
Right. So, is it okay to share that what is your current CTC? What
Yes,
is
yes,
your,
my
yeah.
current CTC 9.5 lakhs.
That's wonderful because this is something needed for the students to get motivated. What kind of
Yes,
CTCs that they offer when they go for campus placements? Because they will be having some misconceptions that they might not get a good package when they go through the CMA. But it's a matter that even in the CMA also we'll have some wonderful CTCs that have been offered. So that's
yes,
wonderful. You're
yes.
placed with an, yeah.
Yes, yes. I can say some examples who are not got placed in campus placement also. They
Hmm.
are applied for out of the campus placement, like off campus. They
Right.
also got the same CTC what I am getting, like 8 lakhs package, 9 lakhs package. Uh,
Hmm.
there is no differentiation between CA and CMA. There is equal value for CA and CMA.
Right. So
Okay,
even
so
though they could not go
uh,
through campus placements, you're saying that ample
uh,
opportunities are there in the market for CMS also
yes, yes.
with a good
In the off
package,
campus also,
equivalent package.
yeah, yes, yes, with equivalent package.
That's great. That's great. So one more thing that I would like to focus on is that whenever, uh, as a student, when you go for placements and attending the interviews, what are some of the prerequisites that are needed? What has to be there with the student as a prerequisite before hitting the interview?
The student should be well prepared for the interview, and his mind should be very calm. Like he should go to the interview without any tension.
Hmm.
If you got tense, the interviewer will know.
Yes. Yes.
He is very tensed person. We
Hmm.
can't
Hmm.
take him.
Hmm.
He don't have much knowledge. That's why he's getting tension like that. He will feel so that
Yes.
you need to be very calm and reduce your tension and be confident, well prepared for the interview. And you need to face the panel of 4 to 5 members in the interview,
Hmm.
so that you should be well prepared and well dressed with
Exactly.
nice formal dresses. You
Yes.
need to be well prepared with all the concepts you have learned and all the experience you have learned in the articleship also. You
Hmm.
need to be well prepared.
So how long your interview have lasted?
Like 30 to 45 minutes.
Nice. So they have
There are
covered
two
all
rounds for
areas.
me.
Okay.
Yeah, there are two rounds for me, two technical rounds.
Hmm.
And in one technical round, there is also HR round. In
Hmm.
two technical rounds, one technical round is for 30 minutes and another technical round is for 45 minutes. In that 45 minutes, HR round is also covered.
Nice. Nice. So along
Yeah.
with your professional courses, have you pursued any other courses along with them?
Yes, yes. I'm also pursuing my CA also. I'm into my CA final. I'm
Yes.
to write my CA final exams.
Hmm.
I have
Uh,
taken
uh,
coaching.
yes.
I will write in this December.
So apart from that, have you done with your graduation or any other technical courses have you pursued?
I have done my graduation degree. I have done BCom
Hmm.
degree
Good.
along with the CA CMA. Only I have done my degree.
So, do you really think that along with these professional courses, it's important to have that regular courses also degree? Did anywhere in the
Yes, yes.
interview they have insisted on this?
Yes, yes. I would definitely recommend to do all the students who are doing CA and CMA to
Hmm.
definitely do degree also, because some companies particularly they are asking for graduation. Even though you are a even though you are a CA or even though you are CMA, they're particularly asking about the degree.
Hmm.
What is your degree? They're particularly asking about degree, either BCom or anything. So you need to do any degree out of
So
these
it is
CA or CME.
yes,
Yeah,
it is
it is
suggestible
necessary
that yes, yes,
um, to do degree.
yes. So apart from that, will you talk something about your schooling? Where you did your schooling? How was your 10th standard was? How it went?
Yes, yes.
What kind of a
My
student you were
yeah.
in your schooling days?
I'm an average student. I'm not a topper of the class, but
Right.
I'm into average student. I got 582 marks.
Hmm.
My schooling all went in my hometown only, Kottagudem itself.
Hmm.
It's a girls' school, girls' high school. From LKG to 10th class, I'm into girls' high school only.
Right.
I'm not much like a well interacted person in my school.
Introvert. You're a kind of introvert.
Introvert. Yeah,
Yeah.
introvert person. So after that, coming into intermediate, intermediate is like a co-education. In intermediate also, I scored 954 marks
Yeah.
with
Sorry to interrupt you.
100%.
Which
Yeah.
stream you have chosen in your intermediate?
MPC. I'm
MPC.
from
Okay.
MPC background. Yeah,
Nice,
I'm
nice.
from
Yeah.
science
Continue.
background. From science background too, I came to commerce background.
Commerce background. Yes.
Yes.
So I think you might have a tough time in the initial stages as coming from a science background to
True, true.
commerce.
Yeah, while I'm doing my CA foundation and CMA foundation,
Hmm.
I struggle a lot to like all the concepts which are
Yes.
different from science to commerce. Uh, yeah, but I had a great mentors and great lecturers to teach me
Hmm.
all that, so I can get that fear very slowly.
Nice. So I think
Yeah.
with your discussion, I think I'm feeling that you might be feeling that you have taken a right decision to join in CMA. Do you really feel in the same way?
Yes,
Do you
yes,
really
true,
feel that you
true,
have
true.
taken a right decision?
Yeah, I feel every second of my life while I'm doing the job also.
Yes.
I feel I have taken a right decision because everyone is like happy
Hmm.
because not waiting to complete my CA. While doing my job only, I can write my CA and I can complete my CA also, so that
Yes.
I can get a double degree
Yes.
while
Yes.
doing my job. So I'm very happy that I have chosen CMA as my course, my professional course.
So you have completed a CMA intern and final in single attempt.
Yes, in single
So
attempt.
is there any difference when it comes to placement if number of attempts increased? Do you have any idea of that, or what do you feel about it?
No, no, no. I don't think so because I have some of my friends also who cleared in 2 attempts. They
Hmm.
also got placed in the campus placements. There is no maybe some companies will shortlist in that
Right,
perspective,
right,
but
right.
in the company which I got placed is not taking that as a criteria. Maybe some companies is taking that the items as a criteria.
So what was your score in
There is
intern and final?
uh, inter is like 55%, 55 to 60%, and finally is I scored 361 marks.
Or in CMA inter, you got
60%.
60, and in CMA final you are a
Yeah.
rank holder.
Yes, in CMA final I'm a rank holder
Right,
with
that's
41
wonderful.
rank.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So from the beginning itself, you have the intention that you have to attempt the both groups.
Yes. My aim was to get a rank either in
Yes.
inter either in final. So to get a rank I need to attend both groups, so that's why I choose to write both groups. I also suggest everyone to write both groups at a time. Don't write single group,
Hmm.
write both groups at a time. You will get either you will get a chance to get a rank or you will qualify at the single shot itself.
Right.
It will be better to write both groups. I will suggest to write both groups when you are confident with all the concepts and when you are well prepared and your preparation is very good, then you can go ahead and write both groups.
So in which year you have qualified CMA final?
Sorry.
In which year you have qualified your CMA final? Which year?
December 2020. This
So yes,
December 2020.
December 2020 you have
Yeah.
qualified. So
Yes,
that's very
yes.
nice. Right. So next thing that we can talk about is that usually how was your preparation strategy for CMA final? Any specific strategy that you have followed? Just before you were saying that
uh,
a couple of months that you have spent on CMA final. So
yes,
in
yes.
those months,
Strategy.
hmm,
Strategy is nothing but I'm like a morning person, sir. I'm not
yeah.
a night person. I will not do night outs and all that. I can wake up at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock.
Hmm.
I will like take a break for breakfast and take a break for lunch and dinner. That's all. I complete my study by 8 o'clock itself. By night 8 o'clock itself, I complete and I'll sleep. That's all. Like 10 to 12 hours I'll study. For
Hmm.
I have studied for 6 to 8 months. That's all.
Okay.
And I will study like continuous for 10 to 12 hours.
Hmm.
I'm like a morning person. I will not study for nights.
So on that case, will you suggest the aspirants to give up certain things like social medias, watching TV, spending time? You said 12
Yes,
hours you have focused on CMA final to get to be an All India
yes.
rank holder. So do you really think that it is needed for the students to give up certain things while you're preparing?
Yeah, I can suggest to give up using mobile phones,
Yes.
using social media and all that. You
Yes.
can watch one movie
Hmm.
monthly once, but
Right.
being every day on mobile is like killing your day.
Yes, yes, exactly. Without
So
knowing to
I would
you, it will
suggest
take
no.
all your time.
Yes, yes, true. So I
Yes.
would suggest not to use mobile so much when you are into preparation, when you are into focused on your preparation, then not to use your mobile so much. Use that
Feature
keypad
phone.
phone.
Yes, feature phone.
Yes, yes,
Only for
yes, yes.
emergency communication.
Yes, yes.
That's
You can
really
use only
uh,
that for 2 months before the exams. You can use that mobile. Then it will be good for your preparation. No disturbances.
yeah. You have the students
Yes.
have to avoid these distractions as much as
Yes, yes,
possible.
yes, yes.
Yes,
You can watch
exactly.
a movie even
Hmm.
monthly once, but not to use a mobile
Yeah.
daily. If you
Yes.
use mobile, it will kill your time.
That's right. That's so right. Will you talk about the role that Masterminds has played in your entire journey? Will you talk a bit about it?
Yes, yes. They motivated me to take the CMA courses, sir. So because of them, I'm here.
Hmm.
So they also encouraged me with not only to do CA but also to do CMA, and they have conducted all the what we can say, the study hours which
Yes.
they
Yes.
conducted are very great initiative they have taken. And not only the study hours, while we take the study hours also, they'll conduct the practice exams.
Hmm.
uh, we'll get to know what is our knowledge, what we studied, we'll apply in that exams, the practice exams. After the practice exams also, they'll give the suggested answers to evaluate ourselves, what mistakes we have taken. And also the mentors, the no, teaching faculty is very knowledgeable with good concepts. They're also very supportive to the students. They'll take care of individual students, where they are getting wrong, which
Yes.
concepts they are lacking, which concepts they have don't have knowledge. uh, they play very crucial role in my throughout the CMA career.
Yes. Yes.
I thank
So
Masterminds for all the efforts they kept.
that's great. That's great. So if I ask you what is your goal in your life, what would you say?
My goal, so many are there.
Like ultimately
But
something that you wish to do in future.
yeah, I want to run my own business.
Okay. So you
To
want to
run
be an
my own business,
entrepreneur
I
finally.
want. Yes, yes, yes. I want
That's it.
to be own boss to my own company.
Nice. So, wish definitely you will be achieving what you want to achieve.
Thank you, thank
Just
you.
to end up our conversation, any final words and suggestions that you would want to give exclusively to the CMA aspirants? Any final words from your end?
Yeah. So please concentrate on your studies. Don't get influenced on the negative vibes they are giving, that CMA is a low grade course than CA. You can take me as an example that CMA and CAs are equally treated in the market while coming to the job opportunities. Even though in the campus placement and off campus placement also, they are giving the equal opportunity to CA and CMA. The package is almost all same, sir. Almost all same.
Yes.
Not lower than that, not above than that. Almost all same. So please concentrate on your studies. Please be careful about the knowledge you're pursuing. And also, while articles also, you don't do articles for a sake. do your articles for a reasonable knowledge gaining purpose, because in the interview also, while you're going to interview, they're particularly asking about the experience you're having in the articleship. So do your articleship in a proper manner, that you gain knowledge, how to interact with your clients and all that. You should know the basic things to interact with your clients. So do your articleship, don't take all dummy and all that. Do your articleship. uh, yeah, all the best for all the CMS students. Thank you. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. That's great, Soumya. It's been great
Yeah,
talking
thank
to
you, sir.
you. And I'm hoping
Thank you,
that
sir.
whatever the inputs that you have given, they're going to be really inspiring so many aspirants who wants to come into this. And I wish you all the
Sure,
best
sure.
for all your future endeavors. I hope you're going to reach heights in the chosen path. I wish you all the best for
Thank you
that.
so much.
And
Thank you so
I
much.
want to thank you for your time, for your valuable time that you have given to share your valuable experiences. Thank you very much, Soumya.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right,
Thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity.
right. Take care.
Thank you. Bye bye.